song? Anybody?
You know,
Rap battle on the DJ.
you know this guy, he's the bitch. The mother, fuck you. I fuck your sister. Bitch, Kuni, come right here. I take her to my room and I fuck her in the ass. Very nice. You want to? You want? I give. Not. I don't charge. Not by force. I want to fuck it. Bitch.
My God, I'm somewhat disturbed right now.
Somewhat disturbed. You better watch yourself.
A little homoerotic. I don't have to watch myself because my shit's exotic. I'm dead, motherfucker. In the head. I don't know what I'm saying anymore because I'm gonna skip out the studio. Talking to my boy David over here in the corner. What's up? You're like, nah, fuck you, dude.
This motherfucker.
I'm joking.
You fuck? Bitch ass, faggot ass, pussy ass, nigga. You one them motherfuckers, ain't you? Bitch nigga. Suck my dick, nigga. Okay. I got the girl in the back of the bathroom, smash those, then smash who. She want my dick, and I fuck her in the bathroom. I do the. Fuck, what my hand?